Hey guys, so now we're going to quickly review the chain rule. Again, previously what we've been able to do is go ddx of f of x. We've done ddx of f of x times g of x. We've done the derivative of f of x over g of x, which is when you're using the prime rule. So this is the power rule, this is the product rule, this is the quotient rule. What we're going to talk about today is the chain rule, which kind of like unites all these things. So effectively what it is when you have the ddx of a function and then there is a subfunction, what do? Right? And the answer to this is you are going to first take the derivative of the outside. You are not going to change anything on the inside, right? No change. And then you're going to multiply it by the derivative of the inside. A little confusing to talk through, so let's just go through a few examples, right? So first, let's say we wanted to do the derivative of the ln of cosine of x, right? So what you're going to do is, okay, I'm going to take the derivative of the outside, but I'm going to maintain the inside. So again, I don't know if you remember what the derivative of the outside was, but it was 1 over x, right? So I will do 1 over, but this is that part that was typically the x, so I'll do 1 over cosine of x, right? So just the same exact thing. 1 over what's inside here is the rule. I made no change to x, the exact same thing. And then I'm going to multiply it by, okay, great, the derivative of the inside. What's the derivative of the inside? Negative sine of x. So this becomes negative sine of x over cosine of x. Alright, so this is example 1. Let's do 2 more examples. Let's say we had cosine of x squared, and we want to take the derivative of the cosine of x squared. So I would take the derivative of the outside, keep the inside, right? So the derivative of cosine is sine of x. Okay, the inside, nothing changes, times then the derivative of the inside, which is 2x, right? So pretty simple one. And then let's say, this is actually kind of related. Let's say we had derivative of e to the x. So as you saw before, the derivative of e to the x equals the derivative of e to the x. So the derivative of e to the negative 2x is going to be, okay, keep everything the same. And then I'm going to multiply by the derivative of this, which is negative 2. So the answer is e to the negative 2x. So this is a little different, but I think the story is really very similar, right? So again, quick review of the chain rule is if you're taking the derivative of a function that has a subfunction, you'll just take the derivative of the outside, don't change the inside, and then you'll multiply it by the derivative of the inside. And these were 3 examples we used to prove that.